Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, what is easier to study? Spanish or French? What do you think? What should you study? Let's get into it.
So, should I learn Spanish or French? Let's consider some important things. The first thing, what's my motivation? You should always ask yourself this. What are you hoping to get out? To have a better cultural experiences? To live abroad? Travel when we are able to? Whatever your motivation, it might help you pick. Another thing to consider is language background. This is so important. If you already speak a language with similarities to one of these languages, you might want to learn this one. So, for example, some people that know how to speak Portuguese find Spanish easy to learn. Another great thing to consider is location. Depending on where you are, you may have more access to either French or Spanish native speakers. Although, thanks to the time we live in, learning online has never been so easy. The good news is that French and Spanish are both among the most widely spoken languages in the world. And they are both so beautiful. So, what do you like the most about Spanish? Tell me in the comments below. Are you going to pick Spanish or French?
So, what's it gonna be for you? Spanish or French? Let me know in the comments below. I'm dying to know. And also be sure to download the free guide. I have a Spanish cheat sheet to get you started with Spanish. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!